Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share with you some things that I picked up for over the past week. So this is my collective haul. I tried to do this video on Wednesday, but I just couldn't film. But anyways, so this is things that I picked up over the week from online and local stores. So the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys is a Valentine's stamp and die set from the My Creative Time. And look at how cute. This is their new release, and I thought it was so super cute. Sorry for the glare again. So it comes with the stamps, and then it has the coordinating gnome die in the back. So that is from My Creative Time. And then the Greeting Farm had their new release as well, and I purchased a stamp set, and this one's called Miss Anya Fanny Pack, and I thought it was so super cute. Look at how stinking cute. It says Friends Forever, yeah, and then they have like really cute fanny packs, like animal fanny packs. And there's a little stamp here that says Sending Happy Vibes. So I purchased that, and then I think this is from, I can't find the receipt, but I think this is from, I want to say scrapbook.com. So you guys saw that I did these card kits, and see, this is the same one, and I believe it's also by Photoplay, but these are card kits where it comes with the card base and directions on the different cards here. So I thought that was super cute and easy and fun to do, that I bought another one. This is also by Photoplay. It's called the Birthday Card Kit, Confetti. So I thought I would put some birthday cards together real quick. I thought this was so fun. For those of you who don't have a lot of time to craft but want to make cards or need a card on the go real quick, these are super fun. So it includes 8 card bases and cardstock die cuts. And let's see, 4 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided designer cardstock card components, 2 each of 2 papers, die cuts, 8 white cardstock card bases, and a step-by-step written directions. So, I mean, you don't have to use the written directions. You can just go ahead and do it on your own, but, you know, so I thought that was super cool. So those are my online hauls. And then, oh, I got one more online haul. This one is actually from April, and that's her information here. April OlanderDesigns.com, and she's on Instagram as well. I purchased some rosettes from her, and she did gift me this really cute, these are puffy stickers, or the foam stickers with the, these are, have you guys used these little baggies? They are like super tight, like super, like, to me they're hard to open up. I have a hard time opening them up. So in this little baggie, she gave me these little foam glitter stickers and this little bow. And I ordered a bunch, you guys, I ordered a bunch of different glittered rosettes because I hate making them. I tried and I gave up. And I just ordered a bunch of different colors. I ordered a lot, so I'm not gonna pull out all of them. So I ordered all of these in the various pinks. And they had purples. So the glitter's falling off, so. And some of the blues and the mints and the teals. And some more different color in the pinks. Let me just see if this will work. Let's turn off my light. Okay, that's a little bit better. And reds, yellow, and blues. So I ordered all those, again. This is her information. Here's her card. It was at the bottom. So you can snapshot that, screenshot, and that is her. So purchased that online. That was the only thing left that I had that came online. And then, oh wait, oh my gosh, it just keeps going and going. So this is like non-craft related, but I don't know if you guys saw my haul video a while ago. I ordered these as a gift. These are like mini Starbucks keychains. This is the company right here from Etsy. Right here. And I did purchase another cup because, I mean, I have a Cricut machine. I could make them all myself, but why not help other small little businesses? So you guys know I love this color. You guys know I love Tiffany. Look at how cute, you guys. So I purchased this non-crafty item from California Sugar Company. And it came well packaged and wrapped. So this thing was wrapped and then packaged with a lot of paper and bubble wrap and everything. And then it also comes with this matching straw and the bow. So I thought that was super cute to add to my collection. I can use it here in my craft room. So I picked up that. So that's the only thing, you guys, I promise. That's the only thing that I got online. Moving on, Daiso. Picked up just a few things. I try to go there weekly because they do come out with new stuff weekly. So let me just show you. So I saw this, and what really caught my eye was the packaging because, of course, it's super cute, right? So I know Bonus showed this recently. I had picked it up because I saw how cute the packaging was, and I was thinking to myself, Marissa, you don't need this. Marissa, you don't need this. And eventually it landed back in my basket, and I said I needed it for something. I kept on thinking about what I want to do, and I figured it out. So what this is it's a acrylic case, like a display case, and it has these feet here in the back. So you can stand it up that way or sideways in the back. See, it looks like that. Or you can lay it flat, and then the top opens up. So I bought it in this one, and then also in this one. I already opened it up. So just to show you guys. So it's basically like this, and then it opens up, if I can open it up here. So purchased that. Eventually I'll get to that. And then I also found some more Sanrio items. I found this Hello Kitty. I purchased this before, but not in Hello Kitty or Sanrio. So what it is basically like a big Ziploc bag for when you travel. You can take the air out of your clothing and have more room in your suitcase because it lets all the air out. And that's the size right there. So there's only one in here. But I did get it in the Hello Kitty. They had it in the Cinema Roll. Oh, you know what? I think there's a picture in the back. So that's what the Hello Kitty looks like. Here's what that one looks like. And then last but not least, I purchased the one with all of the Sanrio characters. And that is what that looks like. But of course, I'm not traveling anywhere anytime soon. So I could use this to store some crafty items. And then I found this display case. I remember when Daiso first opened years ago in my area in Orange County, they brought these wooden compartment boxes out, and they stopped selling them for like a long time, but I've noticed that they were coming back with them. So I purchased this display box, and it has like the different compartments in them. So it's just the wooden, you can alter it. I just picked up one. Not craft related, but I did pick up these little travel, you can use them as travel or whatever, pump bottles, and they're really pretty. And then what I liked about them is the little stopper. So like when you're traveling or you know, you want to put it away and store it, and it happens to get the little pump, this prevents it from pumping. and then losing all your stuff inside. So I purchased that, and then I purchased this. It says it's a gift wrapping drawstring bag with a bottom gusset, and this is a pretty big one, and there's only one, and that's what the bag looks like, and it has a little yellow drawstring right there. So I thought that was super cute. And look at the little cloud macaroons. That is super adorable. Love the colors. And then I bought another one of these Hello Kitty containers that you can put your wipes in. You can put your makeup wipes or what have you, or whatever you want to put. And they also came out with some Sanrio antibacterial disinfecting wipes, and I had to get them. Normally the store is $1.50, but the prices are going up actually, so I purchased these for $2 each. So they're the disinfecting wipes. Look at how stinking cute, you guys. So I had to get one of each. Relakuma. This one smells like lemon. Relakuma. Look at how stinking cute this one is. That one, and then this one. And they had like, I think two other ones, but this is the only one that I purchased, and I was hoping that I can probably maybe stick it. Oh yeah, I can. See, it fits in here. So I can carry this in my purse, or because I do have a big purse, and my car, or here in my craft desk, or whatever. So that's what I got from Daiso. And oh, you know what? I got one more thing from Daiso. It's a wipe lid. You see, I purchased this one before, but it was a non-Hello Kitty, but this one's a Hello Kitty one. And what you do is you just stick it on this part of your wipes. So I just picked up one that was cool. And that is about it. That is my collective haul for the week. I hope everybody enjoys their weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.